Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 29 September 2025. India's central bank has set a September 30th deadline for Tata Sons, the holding company of the Tata Group, to list publicly. Classified as an upper layer shadow bank, Tata Sons faces this mandate under new RBI regulations for large NBFCs. The group, however, argues it's not ready and has sought deregistration, creating a significant regulatory face-off. Jio Star India, a joint venture between Reliance Industries Ltd and Disney, was created in November 2024 through the merger of Star India and Viacom18. The combined company was valued at $8.5 billion. In its September 26 order, the National Company Law Tribunal approved the merger under Sections 230 to 232 of the Companies Act, calling it fair, reasonable, and not in violation of any provisions of law. Britain is backing Jaguar Land Rover, owned by India's Tata Motors, with a $1.5 billion loan guarantee. This support addresses a month-long production shutdown caused by a cyber attack, which severely impacted JLR's supply chain and threatened numerous jobs. The government's intervention aims to safeguard the iconic British brand and its crucial automotive sector, ensuring stability for affected suppliers. The Reserve Bank of India has issued the Authentication Mechanisms for Digital Payment Transactions Directions 2025, setting a comprehensive framework to strengthen the security of digital payments in India. The new directions are applicable to all payment system providers and participants, covering both banks and non-bank entities engaged in digital payments. The framework mandates that each digital payment transaction must be authenticated using at least two distinct factors of authentication. WeWork India is preparing to launch its initial public offering on October 3rd in a share sale expected to raise nearly Rs 3,000 crore. The offer will close on October 7th, with anchor investor bidding opening on October 1st, the company's red herring prospectus shows. The IPO will consist entirely of an offer for sale of up to 46.3 million equity shares. Promoter group firm Embassy Buildcon LLP and Investor One Aerial Way Tenant Limited, part of WeWork Global, will sell shares in the offering. As the issue is an offer for sale, WeWork India itself will not receive any proceeds. The National Financial Reporting Authority, or NFRA, is expected to commence its annual inspection of large audit firms, including the Big Four, from October end, with a focus on whether the firms have taken corrective steps after then regulator flagged issues related to related party transaction disclosures and documentation. The official said that the regulator will ask for more disclosures from the firms this year, especially pertaining to their work in non-audit space, to investigate any possible instances of violations.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.